So hi everyone, my name is Bilal Can, and today we're looking about the example that are a PDF format of the book, and that's about a product which they try to make a test or not. The Kraft the Kraft firm try to test their products or not to be tested will be which one will be more benefit for them, which one will be have more advantage. So when we look at it, the cost of the study will be 150,000, and the expected value is have to be 450,000. On that, so we're starting to cost about our cost is 532,000, and we have a two step. We have a two suggestions. First one is make a test market, and the other one is not. So we will be started the easiest one. So if we not make a test, there will be not any cost, and there will be if the product will be having the market without tests, if we put it inside of it, and we expect it for have a 450,000 on it. If we're not make it, and also if we try to be included in the market without another test, we couldn't have it. We didn't take inside of it. We could have nothing. We have nothing. So, but if we make market again, but still we're making no test market, so we included in the market but not making a test in the market. Still we're not costing, and we'll not have any cost, and we're still waiting to 450,000. And after that, we have a two chance, 50-50. It will be success or fail. If it's success, we have a loss of we lose lots of money because we're not making any test, and we try to be included in the market. And also when we include the market, we're not doing testing also inside of the market about the product too, also the customer. So that's why if we failed, we will be really will keep going down to be not nearly directly I think $700,000. But if you will be successful, we will have a millionaire, like $1,600,000 will be reach. About the test site, if we put our product in the test, it will be cost for us 150,000, and still our product, our things, the company's feature is still be $534,000. So if it will be negative, it's like a 440%. If it will be negative, we will be lose only $150,000 because we just make a test and we see that yes, will be not work. So it will be good for us because we're not losing like $700,000. We just lose $150,000 and we'll go away. We take it our back and go away to give some advantage like in our companies or add some features inside of it. But if the test will be positive, we will be rating the double of our expectation, because normally when we are not making tests, we didn't we couldn't expect it like double it. Like if we double 450, it will be 900. And if it also fit in the market, we will be our expectations will be good, and we will be rising to $990,000. But if still it will be not work, still we only lose $150. So when we compare it, still the making test is more benefit than the other way. And also, if in the market, if it failed, we will be lose $700,000, and also added like a $150,000 because when we are not making any tests, we just only lose 700,000 because we didn't cost anything for our test. We didn't test it. But if we test, we will be lose $150,000, and also about the product values will be lose that the product's value too. But if it will be success, we will be learn much more than it. And also when we look at the EFCI, will be calculated it with. I think we will take the no market tests expectation of, that means expectation value plus our cost of study, because If we couldn't make it, we will be lose together. And minus our test margin, and it will be like $244,000. And also the FPI will be calculated with our success side, which is 80% at the success side, duplicated with 1,600,000 plus fail side duplicated with the minus 700 because it will be our loss, and still it will be appear like a 15%. Also, when we compare it the fail side and also the success side, still we have a good chance about if it will be positive. So that means I think we need to try to test it first and then going away, like choosing a way. Because when we look at the side to side to point about our calculation, when we're not making tests in the market and how it will be going to be success, it will be like 45%. But when we look at the B side, we're making tests and then also we get a positive feedbacks about after the test, it will be rising like a 100.14%. So if we choose the B side, our products will be really appear. And if we are not making the C point, it will be a small lose for a company, and a small percentage of it to be in minus is so near to be zero. That's why inside of that Treepaln, when we make a suggestion, when we make a decision inside of it, I think we need to choose the test side because it will be really rise our company. But if you're not making tests, we take a lot of risks inside of it. Yeah, we're not lose something if the market will be not fitted. But also we couldn't add any future inside of them. When we look our future of our company, we couldn't improve ourselves, and also we couldn't develop our products. And we need to learn something inside of the market to customize our products, our service, and our behavior. So that's why we need to add some valuable thing inside of the market and choose the best side. Thank you for listening.